hello everyone again for all markets. Guys, in this video we're going to talk about for linear regression channel and how to use that. Okay, that is a powerful strategy that can apply on your sessions. So let's try to breaking down this in steps. All right, what is that? The linear regression channel. The linear regression channel is the technical tool that draws a central regression line and an upward boundary, a lower boundary. It's creates a dynamic price channel based on this average momentum. Okay, unlike traditional support and resistance lines, the channel automatically adapts to the currency trend direction, and that's why it's powerful. So with that, we have to identify and slap the channel. The first thing you need to identify that is clearly inclined channel. The channel must be clearly sloping upward, bullish trends, or it's a bearish trend. Avoid flat or sideways channel. If the slope is weak or unclear, the market is probably consolidation, and that reduces the probability of success. So always make sure the channel shows a clear direction bias. This is very, very important. Okay. Trade the total at extremes. Once you have a clear defined channel, the strategy becomes simple. We trade the total at extremes. When the candle try to hit the support or the resistance line, the lower or the upper line. Okay. The highest and the lowest point. That means in the upward channel we look for the buy at the lower boundary. In the downward channel we look to the sell at the upper boundary, the lower and the highest points. Why? Because the linear regression channel acts like dynamic support and the resistance. Price tends to move from the extreme channel towards the positive side. So when price reaches the outer boundary, there is a right probability of a reaction. You are used to see that during this live session, right? But here's the key. Never enter naturally just because the price tells the line. We need confirmation. We need to wait for the next candle. All right? Confirm with the candle partner, guys. That is a good thing. Confirmation with the separate professional trades from beginners.
Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
When price touches the channel boundary, wait for confirmation candle. For example, in the upward channel, wait for a bullish rejection candle, a strong bullish body, or a candle with long lower wick showing rejection. In a downward channel, wait for a bearish rejection candle and a strong red candle, or a long upper kick showing selling pressure. The confirmation candles tell you that reaction has started, and that's when you enter on the trades. All right, and that is the point. So to use that in a simple manner with that upward channel plus total the lower boundary with bullish confirmation, we're gonna use the buy button or the call. Within the downward channel, touch the upper boundary, bearish confirmation, we're gonna use sell button or that put. All right, for expiration time, a good rule for that is 2 or 3 candles after a time frame. For example, with 5 minutes on the chart, 10 or 15 minutes. 1 minute on the chart, try to use 2 or 3 minutes. That would be a fast strategy. This gives price enough time to move away from the boundary. Why this is strategy that's pretty good. All right. So this strategy, guys, works because markets move in the waves. Even this inside trend price not moving in a straight line. It expands contracted around on average price. All right. Regression channel helps you visualize that average at extremes. When the price reaction extremes deviation and often corrects back toward the mean. And that's great trading opportunity. Risk management, that will be a powerful discipline for you. That's essential. All right, always avoid trying during major new events. Avoid weak and flat channels. Wait for proper confirmation. Never overtrade. That's important, guys. Don't let the greedy talk louder. Quality setups are better than many random trades. Patient increase profitability.
Hey, wait a minute. How about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
So you need to identify and clear and clean linear regression channels. Wait for the correct price for that upper or lower boundary with the highest and lowest points. Confirm with the strong reject candle. Enter in direction. Use the proper expiration time and risk management. That's very effective. That's good structure to use with Bollinger Bands, and that's very simple when you apply this with the right way. Practice strategy, guys. Don't forget about that, okay? The more you train your eyes to recognize strong channels, the better your results will be. Trade smart, stay disciplined, and let's go with that. I wish good profit, good operations, and have a good one, guys. I want to see everyone again in the next live. All right? So, have a good one, and see you. Bye-bye.